You ever imagine having a pool inside of your courtyard? Now you can. Hello, my name is Ryan Kessel, your Tampa Bay new construction specialist, and today we are at DRB Homes about to tour their Osprey Grand floor plan at Mirada Lagoon. Let's go check it out. As you enter the courtyard, you have an option of building your own private swimming pool inside the courtyard of your home. Now we're gonna head into the main home here. As you enter the modern double doors of the home, your luxury kitchen, you got the quartz countertop with the waterfall island, beautiful cabinets. You got your pot filler, gas top range here. Again, this is all custom, so you can design your kitchen whatever color or package you're looking for. Now we're coming into the main part. This is an open concept, so you have a space here for your dining room table, and then you have your living space, wide open family room, and this all backs up to this huge slider which will open onto your courtyard and swimming pool. It's got custom built-ins, and again, you could design this room however you want. Different flooring, different lighting. This has got the big tray ceiling throughout, speakers built in, wide open concept to this modern floor plan. Now we're gonna go check out this owner suite. We got tray ceilings, a nice custom chandelier for some additional lighting, and I love these windows that bring in natural light. And then on the flip side here, we have a huge triple slider that opens onto the courtyard patio and private pool. We're gonna go check out the ensuite bathroom. This huge glass enclosed shower. It has two shower heads here and a rain shower. You have floor to ceiling tile. Again, this is all custom, so you could design this however you like. You had a custom vanity here, quartz countertop, dual sink. We even have a window above up here, bringing more natural light. Huge closet with custom built-ins, and you have your own private office. Let's go check out the rest of this home. We're gonna check out the other downstairs bedroom. There are stairs. We're gonna check that out next. This first bedroom, and this is a Jack and Jill setup. It's set up more as an exercise studio. It does have a closet, a window. This is a bedroom. And then this flows and connects into a bathroom, which will connect into the third bedroom. And this bathroom has dual sink, a nice shower. Here's the third bedroom. And this is a Jack and Jill setup. So this bedroom connects to that bathroom into the other bedroom. Huge window bringing in natural light. Nice chandelier here. And this is all custom, so you can design the wall. We're coming out of the third bedroom. There is a half bathroom downstairs to service your guests. And the last room we're going to check out before going upstairs is the laundry room, which is downstairs. You got your washer, dryer, and then you have your laundry sink, some cabinetry here. As we're heading up the stairs, this is a huge open bonus room, so this could be anything you want. There's an air hockey table up here, so this could be a game room. You got some furniture here. You could set up a movie theater or a second living room for the kids. Now we're going to head outside to the balcony. This whole balcony overlooks your pool and courtyard area. And this is a huge outdoor balcony, perfect for outdoor entertaining. Look how big this space is. As you can see, the upstairs bedrooms both have their own sliding glass door access onto this balcony. Heading back in, we're gonna go check out the fourth and fifth bedroom now. You have a little closet here. We're gonna head into the fourth bedroom. This one's probably set up for a girl's room. You got the pink curtains here. This again opens up to your balcony. We're gonna head into the last bedroom that's upstairs. You turn and we're in bedroom number 5. So this room's got bunk bed set up, good sized closet here. And again, this opens onto the balcony. And your third full-size bathroom's also located upstairs, which will service your bonus room and the 2 bedrooms upstairs. And this has got a glass enclosure, ceiling to floor tile, and a nice quartz vanity. All right, we're gonna head back downstairs. I got one last thing to show you guys. All right, we're gonna exit the front door. This room over here, your third car garage, you could actually convert into a mother-in-law suite, an office. This does have another bathroom down here, which will service your pool area. So this door leads back out. Again, this room right here, you can customize it. This could be an outdoor kitchen. There's several options you have, or you could just keep it as a full third car garage. So if this home sparks your interest in DRB Homes or Mirada, I could help you with any builder, new home community, or resale home. Give me a call, 813-587-2424.